This is pork tenderloin. So we have two tenderloins. We're going to split it in half. And what I'm going to do is cut this in half. And then I'm going to take it and we're going to butterfly it. So we'll cut almost all the way through, not quite all the way through like that. And then we're going to pound it. You can use plastic or not. It doesn't really matter. And by the way, you probably do the same thing. I just use like a 3-quart saucepan sometimes. So
yeah, you just bang it with whatever's handy. Yeah. Exactly.
whatever you got. So yeah, your laptop computer, whatever. 4 pieces like this. And then we're going to make the sauce. So the sauce is Evu, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then smoked paprika. This is the world's best ingredient.
I love it. It does so much. So little does so much.
So we do that here. The smoked paprika, as I said, one of my favorite ingredients, a little oregano and a little bit of sugar. And then we have them cooked now, and we're going to brush one side. And this is maybe one of the easiest recipes in the world, because you're just cooking the pork tenderloin that's been butterflied, brush it on one side, finish cooking on the other side. We'll brush that when we come back. And that's about it. And then it's so simple to do. It's just 2 tenderloins and a little bit of seasoning. You just finish those off, and you can brush a little more of the smoked paprika on it at the end. Now we're going to Fast S. We have a pound of country-style pork ribs. It's actually not from the ribs. It's more from the shoulder and the end of the loin. And it's boneless. And we just saute those pieces, those chunks, for about 3 minutes on one side. And we'll take that off and reserve those. Now this is sweet peppers with pork, honey, and sage.
Nice.
Put that back on. So now we have 1 onion and 2 peppers sliced, and put that in.
Oh my gosh, so fun and colorful.
So we'll just saute this. This sautés for just 2 or 3 minutes to start to soften. And then when that's done, we have them switched out here. And that's what it looks like when that's done. Now, a cup of wine goes in. Again, we're using the agrodolce. We're using a little bit of honey, which is a theme throughout all this. A little salt and pepper. And we'll put in the sage as well. And we'll just cook that down.
That's another thing I love. We're learning the same lesson used in different applications.